So this month, we figured out a way for you to fix your invoicing mistakes without breaking them, removed approval bottlenecks, and made our AI dangerously useful. Welcome back to another edition of Keeping Up With Rocketlane. First up, we have credit notes for invoices. You now have a clean, compliant way to reverse or adjust an already issued invoice, which is especially important for auditability and financial hygiene. You can enable it in settings, configure things like numbering and reason codes, and then create a credit note directly from any approved, partially paid, or fully paid invoice. There's a simple flow where you select the source invoice, import line items to ensure tax accuracy and prevent over-crediting, optionally auto-apply the credit and add notes or attachments. Once created, credits can be applied to the original invoice or any other approved invoice for the same customer, even partially, with the remaining balance staying open for future use. You also get guardrails so you can't exceed invoice amounts or project level values, and full lifecycle control from draft to close, including the ability to void when needed. The end result is pretty simple. You can fix your billing mistakes properly without breaking the financial trail. So instead of deleting mistakes, we just formally acknowledge them. Exactly. Genius. Next up, resource requests can now have multiple approvers. Previously, requests were dependent on a single approver, which meant everything slowed down if that person was unavailable. Now you can assign multiple approvers either manually while creating the request or automatically through workflows, and all assigned approvers get notified. And any one of them can approve or reject the request, and the first action taken resolves it. This keeps requests moving forward even when someone's out of office without adding complexity to the approval process. Simple change, but a big impact on keeping delivery moving without any unnecessary delays. So multiple people can now approve the same request? That's correct. Well, shared responsibility usually means no responsibility. Shut up, man. For our final update, we have our MCP server. This is a big step forward in how you interact with Rocketlane. MCP lets AI assistants like ChatGPT or Claude work directly inside Rocketlane on your behalf, which means you can now create, update, or close tasks, log time, spin up projects from templates, and search across projects, users, or companies, all through a simple conversation without switching tabs. Instead of jumping between tools and manually updating things, your AI can now act inside Rocketlane with full context, keeping everything up to date as you work. It's essentially moving from AI helping you think to AI helping you execute, and for teams already using Nitro or working heavily with AI, this is where things start to feel meaningfully different. If you want to see it in action, you should definitely try it out. This is one of those features that clicks instantly once you use it. So I can just tell AI to update my tasks? Yes. And log time? Yes. And spin up projects? Yes. And find things without digging through tabs? Yes. Well, it was good while it lasted, I guess. Hey, don't go, buddy. I still need you for the jokes. With that, we come to the end of another edition of Keeping Up With Rocketlane. We hope you enjoyed these updates. If you're one of those people who's just watching these videos without following us on our socials, why would you do that? Go ahead and drop us a follow so you don't miss out on anything significant. This is me, Rahul, signing off. I'll see you soon with the next one.